I'm Agnello Rajesh. I'm chairman for St. Angelo's VNCD Ventures. We are one of the largest villa developers in India. I'm also a serial and a social entrepreneur into multiple businesses. Special focus currently is on e-commerce in fashion, apparels, and jewelry. Friends, time management is a very interesting concept, and all of us struggle with it, like I just said when we began the conversation. So, time management is the process of planning and exercising conscious control of time spent on specific activities, especially to increase effectiveness, efficiency, and most importantly, your productivity. So, good time management enables you to work smarter, not harder, so that you get more done in the less time, even when time is tight and pressures are high. I would love to make a quote saying that being busy isn't the same thing as being effective. Everybody in this world is busy with or without work, but being effective is the self-analysis that we need to be doing. So let me share three necessary time management skills. These are all anecdotes which we have collected together over a period of time through life experiences and life school that we have all been living right from childhood. Friends, time management is defined as the decision-making process that structures, projects, and adjusts a person's time to changing environmental conditions. Three particular skills that help time management success are something that I would love to discuss. Point number one is awareness. Thinking realistically about your time by understanding it is a limited resource is very critically important. Second is arrangement. Designing and organizing your goals, plans, schedules, and tasks to effectively use time is also going to be a very important part of life. And adaptation, monitoring your use of time while performing activities, including adjusting to interruptions or changing priorities, is a skill that you need to develop through forums like Business Opportunities Club or Corporate Connections or all the wonderful forums that you might be a part of. Friends, there are many benefits if you do things right. And similarly, there are benefits of time management as well. If you want to live like this happy family picture that you see on the screen, let us follow what we are going to discuss very shortly. Good time management allows you to accomplish bigger results in a shorter period of time, which leads to more freedom, helps you to focus better, allows you to be more productive, lowers your stress, and gives you more time to spend with people that matter the most in your life. Let me share some direct benefits from time management. Again, I would love to repeat, all of us know this. All of us need to implement is the objective of this conversation. When you manage time well, you will get less stress. You'll be better. You'll have a better work-life balance. You'll get a greater focus. You will achieve higher levels of productivity. You will avoid procrastination, and there won't be any distraction because you're focused on managing your time. Let me share some 5 essential time management techniques, which will definitely and dramatically change the way you live, increase the level of happiness, reduce the amount of stress, and also multiply the productivity that you expect from yourself. The best time management techniques improve the ways you work, help control distractions, and helps you to lock your concentration, giving you absolute focus. So let me share some 5 time management techniques and their associated tools that make the biggest difference. Point number one, be intentional and keep a to-do list. Point number two, be prioritize and rank your tasks. Point number three, be focused and manage your distractions because there are plenty, beginning with the device that you carry all the time with you. Be structured and time block your work. For every work, assign a time slot and achieve it within that time span. Be self-aware, track your time, be aware you're spending money in the form of time if you're not aware of how much it is costing you for a particular task. So key takeaways that I would love to share is knowing how to manage your time is essential for every leader, business owner, and manager. Without effective time management skills, you can waste time on non-productive activities that don't deliver the results that you want and you want to achieve. Time management is all about leverage. Leverage time, leverage energy, and leverage focus. When you can focus on a smaller number of things that create the biggest impact once you prioritize them well, and when you work with other people to help you support achieving those targets, it becomes much easier to achieve bigger results and reach your goals much easier. So it's all about time management. And friends, this was my take on time management.